Think you know your Tesla Model Y? These 10 hidden features will make you feel like you have just bought a brand new car all over again. From secret voice commands to features Tesla doesn't even advertise. We're revealing them all. We'll start with a quick montage of each hidden feature. Then I'll explain how to access them. Let's begin with the Easter egg, the light show. Whoa! It looks like my car is dancing. How do you access it? Open up your Tesla app and click on the Toy Box button. Here you'll find the option for the Easter egg light show. Make sure your car is unlocked and then sit tight. The light show will start when you tap the light beams icon. This feature syncs with the music and it's seriously impressive. Up next, karaoke. This one's perfect for long drives or road trips. Again, this is located in the toy box. Simply tap the microphone icon to get started. The app provides a list of popular songs and you can sing along. By the way, the lyrics are only available for passengers. Coming in at number 3, we have voice commands. You don't need to memorize a bunch of commands either. Just try saying, "Open glove box," or "Set temperature to 20 degrees." Your Tesla will understand what you mean and carry out the task. Number 4, we have the hidden charging port trick. Okay, so check this out. When you tap the tail light on the app, the charging port opens up. And here's the best part. You don't need the Tesla app or the touchscreen to do this. Simply tap the tail light 3 times and voila. Next up, we have dog mode. It's not surprising that dog lovers adore this feature. Say goodbye to those anxious moments when you leave your furry friend in the car. With dog mode on, your Tesla will keep the cabin nice and cool or warm while you run errands. And the on-screen message lets passersby know that you're hanging back for a quick minute. Now let's talk about safety. At number 6, we have Sentry mode. This handy feature uses video recorded by the car's cameras to capture everything that happens around your parked Tesla, and it records it to your phone. Just make sure you've got the app updated and enabled. Next up, we have Dashcam. Did you know your Tesla can always be recording without needing extra dashcam hardware? All you need to do is activate it through the app. And every time your car starts, it'll save a short clip of the drive. You can go through these recordings whenever you want. At number 9, we have Passenger Play. This one's a game changer for those long road trips or charging stops. While your Tesla is parked, passengers can enjoy video games. This feature is super handy for keeping everyone entertained during those downtime moments. Now let's explore some more hidden features starting with camp mode. It's pretty simple but very useful. Just tap the climate icon and select camp mode. This will keep the HVAC system running along with the cabin lights and 12-volt outlets. It's like having your own mobile home base. And last but certainly not least, we have over-the-air updates. Tesla often surprises owners by rolling out new features and improvements through over-the-air updates. So what does this mean for you? It means there's always something new to discover in your Tesla Model Y. You won't even need to bring your car in for a service appointment to get the latest features. So there you have it. Those are some of the most exciting hidden features for your Tesla Model Y. Which one's your favorite? Do you have any other Tesla tricks up your sleeve? Share them with us in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more electrifying content. Thanks for tuning in and we'll catch you in the next one.